In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a bank statement into Xero. We're going to take a bank statement file you've already downloaded from your online banking and bring those transactions into Xero so they're ready for reconciliation. Before we start, make sure you're in the correct bank account in Xero and that you have the statement file saved on your computer. Xero accepts common formats like OFX, QEF, QBO, and CSV. If you're using a CSV, check that your file has a single header row and clear columns for the date, description, and either a single amount or separate debit and credit amounts. It also helps to confirm the date format and decimal separators match your region. From your bank account page in Xero, click Import Bank Statement. This opens the upload area where you'll choose the file from your computer. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check the account name shown on the page so you don't import to the wrong place. Next, click Select File and browse to your statement file. Choose it and confirm. If your bank offers multiple formats, pick a native bank format like OFX or QIF when possible, as those usually map cleanly. CSV works too. Just make sure there aren't extra blank lines or totals included at the bottom of the file. When your file is selected, click Next. This takes you to the mapping screen. Here, you'll map and assign columns so Xero knows which piece of information is the date, which is the description, and which represents the amounts. For CSVs, choose the column that contains the transaction date and set the date format to match your file, such as day month, year, or month day year. Map the description or narration to the payee or reference field, depending on what you prefer to see during reconciliation. For amounts, either map a single amount column where expenses are negative and receipts are positive, or map separate debit and credit columns. If your file includes a running balance, leave that unmapped. Take a moment to preview a few lines to ensure payments and receipts look correct and that the dates make sense. Once everything looks right, click. Next to review. Xero will show a summary and may flag any lines it can't read, such as missing dates or invalid amounts. If you see issues, you can cancel, fix the file, and try again. If the preview is clean, click Complete Import. Xero will confirm how many transactions were imported and take you back to the account with your new statement lines ready. From here, you're all set to reconcile those transactions against your invoices, bills, and spend money items.